In this video, let us see how to get this free VPS for free without any credit card or debit card. In this VPS, we have 10 GB of RAM and 2 virtual CPUs. And the cool feature about this VPS is that you have the sudo access. If you use the command sudo switch user, you can say we switch to the sudo user. Let us see how to get this VPS for free. Let's get started. Just head over to any browser and type Databricks. And in the search result, just click on the databricks.com. It will open up a website similar to this. Here click on Try Databricks. Fill your basic details, first name, last name, and your valid Gmail address. And for the company, select the internet queue, and for the title, choose the employee. And leave 4 as default. And for the last field, select learning certification and ETL pipelines and click on Try. Here we will have to choose the personal use. So let's click on the Get Started with the Community Edition. Click on that. It will ask us to verify our email address. So just open your email address. So let me open my Gmail to verify my email. Here we get a mail from the Databricks. Click on that. Here you can see, click on this to verify our email address. So let me click on that. Now our email address has been successfully verified. We need to create a password for our account. So let me type the password. So let me confirm my password so that our password will be reset. Click on Reset Password. Now our account has been created successfully. This is the dashboard of the Databricks. Click on Create Notebook. It will create a new notebook for us. Here in the cell, just type 3-h and click on Run button. Here we need to give a name for our cluster. In this case, let me change the cluster name to Cluster 1 and click on Create, Attach and Run. While that is running, let's click on Settings. To open the settings, just click on My Profile. Here in the top, you can see you have your profile icon. Click on that and select Settings. Here in the Compute section, we have your web terminal. Just turn it on. We need to turn this web terminal on. After we turn the web terminal on, we need to refresh this page. Click on Refresh. Now our web page has been refreshed. Here in the top left hand side, click on Workspace. Here we have a notebook that we have created. Click on that. Here in the new cell, let me type the same command again. Let me sell the shell that we have created earlier. Let me delete that one and click on this Run button again. As you can see, we have a 10 GB of RAM and this virtual VPS. Currently, we have used 3.9 GB. Get the web terminal of this VPS. Click on View and select the web terminal. It will open up a terminal for you. Let's click on this icon here to open this terminal in the new tab. Let me click on that. Here you can see we get a free VPS on this new tab. Use the command tmx to stay the terminal for a long time. So if you want to switch to the sudo user, just type sudo su. This will switch the user to the root user. You can see we are on the root user. Let's update our packages. apt update. This will update all the apt packages for us. Now the apt package has been updated. Let's upgrade our packages now. Now all the packages has been upgraded successfully. Let's install the Python to test on this VPS. apt install Python and click Y to proceed ahead. Let me clear the screen and type Python. Here we get a Python interpreter shell. If we use the command print hello world, we successfully print a message hello world. Let me exit this Python interpreter. If you want to see this free space, just type free-h. You can see that we have 10 GB of free RAM and we have used 4 GB and we only have 4.6 GB of free RAM. If you want to see what are the folders are available, df-h, you can see these are the folders that are available and the memory space of this folder are mentioned on the right hand side. You can check that out. Let's install the NeoFetch to see the OS release. apt install NeoFetch. Let's install this package. Just press Y to proceed ahead. Now the NeoFetch has been installed successfully. Let me clear the screen and type NeoFetch. So this is the OS release of this VPS. You can see that we are using the OS Ubuntu and we have Intel Xeon E5 CPU and we have the memory of 10 GB of RAM. And so this is how you get your free VPS without any credit card or debit card. You can use this free VPS for a lifetime. So this is for this video and I will continue in the next one.